All right, here's the sound of a heartbreak. It's a screeching sound, the tires that won't stop. Crash when the glass hits asphalt. You never see it coming till it does. Whistle on the train when it gets too close. Shakes you to the core like an overdose. Shattering aftermath of a rush. The noise destroys my mind. These thoughts can't think. This silence paralyzes. I can't even breathe. It's killing me. Of a heartbreak. Thunder that comes when disaster strikes, wrecks your world like a meteorite. Pierces your ears like a rifle fire. The noise destroys my mind. These thoughts can't think. This silence paralyzes. I can't even breathe. Oh, it's killing me. There's no way to erase the sound of a heartbreak. It's insane. Asylum. Head case on the bathroom tile. So loud, so quiet. Soundtrack of the devil's riot. The noise destroys my mind. These thoughts can't think. This silence paralyzes. I can't even breathe. Oh, it's killing me. There's no way to erase the sound of a heartbreak. 'Cause this noise destroys my mind. These thoughts can't think. This silence paralyzes. I can't even breathe. Oh, it's killing me. There's no way to erase the sound of a heartbreak. There's no way to erase the sound of a heartbreak. There's no way to erase the sound of a heartbreak.